I'm actually going around checking the set of plantains, ogede agbagba that was planted on the farm, because the land is actually very fertile to support that, and big agbagba is very, very expensive now in the market. So this was harvested this morning here at the farm. Going to be taken to Lagos for eating. Right? How much are we even buying plantain in London? I think it's 3 for £2, or even sometimes 1 for £1. So these are some cocoas that we also planted. Ṣáwọn àgbàdo bí tẹ́tí harvest tẹ́lẹ̀ lélẹ̀ nàbí newly plant làwọn eléyìí. Kò dẹ̀ sí kankan tó ṣe harvest lára àwọn eléyìí báyìí. Okay, these are the new set of plantains. No, not plantain. Coins that are planted near the pen house. Honestly, because of the cost of production and everything, we're just kind of trying to maximize the land to plant as many, crops of banana, plantain, and coins, and some cocoa. Yeah, like this are cocoa, and this should all be due for harvest by January. Yes, we've kind of got market for them because last January we did harvest quite a lot. I've got market for them at the people selling in bulk coming to buy.